Welcome to Mauritius in winter time. I was fortunate to go there during September 2022, and there are over 700 flowering plants on the island, half of which are thought to be endemic to that island only.
So here we have behind me some banana trees, which are great examples of something that you can grow in your gardens here in the UK as well. Mauritius is quite a large island. It can take well over an hour to get from side to side, and it's a fascinating place full of wildlife, flora and fauna. There's so much to see and do here. Bats, monkeys, all sorts of different wildlife are to be seen on this island. One of the big things that I wanted to talk to you a bit about was some of the flowers that are out in bloom at the moment. There's beautiful bougainvillea around and about pretty much every turn, and also hibiscus as well, which is a fascinating plant, and it's in flower.
One interesting feature is the Pamplemousse Botanic Gardens. Lots of great palms and wonderful different species of plants and flowers found on Mauritius in these gardens, but they also have a big water lily pond which contains one of the largest giant water lilies, Victoria amazonica, which is commonly found in the River Amazon. These giant water lilies are one of the largest in the world, and they bloom for only a couple of days each year. In common with many other tropical islands in the Indian Ocean, there are mangroves around many of the beach areas. These prevent flooding, and you can see the intricate root system that supports a wonderful nursery for fish.
Sugarcane is still a major industry here on the island. Yellow and red cane are used in the production of rum and also in the production of sugar as well from Mauritius, which you can often get in the supermarkets in the UK.
And of course, Mauritius was home to the flightless bird that was the dodo, that went extinct in the 17th century. And here you can see some real life dodo bones. Other important animals that live on the island include tortoises, and there are many different types, from small right up to these giant ones. So Mauritius is an interesting island full of wildlife and fauna. If you're interested in looking at some of it, then it's well worth a visit if you get a chance.